Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable task scheduler history on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable task scheduler history on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search type task scheduler, click on task scheduler. To disable task scheduler history, go to task scheduler library and right click on it, and here you will find disable all task history. Click on it and look, the history is disabled here. This is the easiest way to disable task scheduler history on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.